Here I have Realme C21, and today I'm going to show you how to enter secret codes on this device, and also I will show you some of these secret codes. So to enter secret code, just open your phone application, open keypad on it, and enter the secret codes here. And the first code for today will be Asterix pound 426 pound Asterix, and this is the FCM diagnostics menu. Here you can display some of the very valuable informations like this. The next code will be Asterix pound 225 pound Asterix. This is the calendar info. If you have some calendars added on your device, they will be displayed here. As you can see, I don't have any calendars here. The next code will be Asterix pound 6776 pound. And this is the software information menu. As you can see here, you can see different informations about your software, like this version, Android version, model of your device. The next code will be Asterix pound 888 pound, and this is the engineer mode. You can see your PCB number here and also the QR code for it. The next code will be Asterix pound 800 pound, and this is the feedback information. You can just send feedback about different features of your device to the Realme support about all of these features, which you can see here. You can suggest something to them here, such a code. The next code will be Asterix pound 07 pound. This displays your maximum SAR level. And the last code for today will be Asterix pound 06 pound, and this is the code which displays your IMEI 1, IMEI 2, and also the serial number of your device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.